Hello friends, today in this photo manipulation video, we will try to capture sharks in a glass. So without any delay, let's get started. I already have downloaded images which are required for this video. Place your glass image on background. Create a new layer below the glass layer and name it Shadows. To create glass shadow, use round brush with soft round edge. Make foreground color black and create a big black spot. Transform it by pressing Ctrl+T, screw it and place it under glass. After this, place your water image and transform it to adjust inside the glass. Erase the unwanted part of water image. I need to erase some bottom part of the glass. Finally, place your shark image over the glass layer and transform its size according to the glass. Decrease layer opacity to make effect that shark is inside the water. Similarly, add other image of shark in the glass. Adjust its size and decrease layer opacity. Our image is ready. Friends, if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also like and share this video. Thank you.